When you're deep in credit repair mode, not all credit cards are your friend. In fact, the wrong one can set you back. Let's talk about the best types of cards for building, not breaking, your score. 1. Secured credit cards. These are top-tier tools for rebuilding. You put down a deposit, usually $200 to $500, and that becomes your limit. There's low risk to lenders, so approval odds are higher, even with bad credit. Just make sure the issuer reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Otherwise, your efforts are wasted. 2. No annual fee, low-limit cards. Some lenders offer unsecured cards for folks with fair credit or better. They won't require a deposit, but the limits might be small, and that's okay. Use them for a single recurring charge, like Netflix. Then pay it off in full each month to build consistency. 3. Store cards. Use with caution. Retail branded cards from places like Target or Amazon can help boost your credit mix and show utilization. But be careful. These often come with super high interest rates and low limits. Only use them if you can avoid carrying a balance. Avoid predatory cards with setup fees, monthly maintenance charges, or APR over 30%. If they sound desperate, they usually are. The right card can be a stepping stone, the wrong one, a trap. Need help picking the best option for your situation? Visit creditfixguy.com. We'll walk you through it.